welcome to the wrong way to replace an inner CV joint. This one broke kind of strange, but it's right at the edge in a clear curve motion. Normally you would take this off, the whole thing, from the wheel itself, spindle and everything, and bring it off to do it on a press. We have a press, but we're gonna try and do this the hard way. All right, join me on this one. Alright, this ain't gonna be fun at all. We'll have to mark this so we know exactly the orientation it goes going back in. This has to go in the same way it came out. You also have to do the same thing for this little right thing right here. We'll also have to mark this here too. Boo. Oh yeah, that's right in my face. Well, can't say I don't wear oil. Okay. Gonna clean everything up. I do have to mark this too. There's a C-clip on here. On this side. It's 2 little dots. There are replacement ones that comes with the kit. Both sides. That's not going to be easy to get in and out, but this is what happens when you buy cheap crap. Got my mark still here, so we're all good. But I gotta clean the stuff out. Hey! There are 2 clips. Put this one on the inside first. I mean, hopefully this is correct. I'm just gonna guess that it's good and pray. Oh my God, that's a whole new type of tight rubber. that's right against it. So here's our other pin with the eyes. Thought I had a tool here for this. Might be wrong. I guess I used the same piece. Gotta swap this out. And that is in. You could feel that actually click in. And here comes the fun part. You can grease this from the boot side in or there, and you can shove it inside of here. This is completely clean. As you can see, absolutely cleaned out. Should just do a little bit more. And start filling this up with grease. Making sure the grease touches everything inside so we catch everywhere. I'll also fill the boot up before we slide it back in. I'm going to put a little bit more in here too. You want grease, you got grease. There is a special tool once you get these eyes where you need them to be and onto the boot. I'll show you that in a second. Because what happens is when you get that as far as possible, you then squeeze that in, and it also holds the top too, and it'll squeeze it tight and keep it on. That tool should be coming in soon. See if we can show you that too. All right, let me just make sure we lined up correctly. I've got my mark here. Just got to check it with my mark inside, which will be on this one right here. So right there is where it has to go. This needs to be really pressed in, but I'm just going to go slow with it. Need to put more grease in. So we can pop that back off. And now we can grease this up completely. Empty. Got a lot of grease in there.
Alright guys, so just in conclusion for my brother's video that he did on replacing this boot here, this is the inner boot that we replaced for the axle, front axle. This is the passenger side. So with the boot it came with these clamps, which honestly were not the greatest clamps. These aren't OEM, these are some aftermarket, and the front one, this little one here, was way too big, so we had to cut it. And we were able to get it on. This one was too small and we had to stretch the hell out of it to get it to work. And the tool that I was waiting for to get that finished is this one here. This is a CV boot clamp pliers. The way it works is it has those two sides that squeeze the sides in, but then also the middle pushes down as you close to give it a tight squeeze when you grab onto the ears over here and here. So right now that's good, and pretty much that's all there is to it. If you're interested on the rest of the stuff we're doing, please check out the other videos as we put the motor back in. As you can see, it's pretty good. We still need to put all the bolts in for each side of the axle. Right now they're just held into place for now as we start plugging in all the wires and everything. Alright guys, until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.